Hi.
Hi,
Hi, I'm Nurul.
my name is Foyong.
I'm Shira. I'm a landscape designer.
I'm a landscape designer.
I'm landscape designer from Konzept Garden. Normally, how I start designing the garden, when the customer send their site photos, I will start with do a roughly sketch on the paper or the 3D design and ask customer what are their preferences. Then after I done with the design, I will give the design proposal and quotation to them.
I usually using our own product, which is our noble grass, giant planter, and few water features.
There are two crucial elements, which is the hardscape and the softscape. For simple garden, I love to propose planter box, slab, noble grass, and also some pebbles. If you have big garden, like more than 200 square feet, I will advise you to install our ZenBio koi pond. You can either choose the natural shape or the square shape. Usually my favorite will be the natural one because it will look more naturalistic view. Okay, we have a Japanese design style concept which is less green but more into dry. So there will be bonsai tree mixed with white pebbles, also a lower shrubs like lily grass and also loropetalum.
Usually, it will take about 3 to 4 days, depends on product selection, site condition, and the weather.